Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So Aimogen is updated again. It has two new SERP APIs supported for getting internet search results and feeding it into the AI models. So AI models have limited training data. Because of this, they might have issues when really recent data is asked them. So if you ask them something that happened really recently, they will not be able to know about these recent events because their training data is cut off in the past. So to fix this, the Aimogen plugin provides a way to integrate real-time search results from the internet using different SERP APIs, and today the Spaceserp and Serper.dev APIs were added to Aimogen. So to enable these, go to the settings menu of the plugin, API keys tab, and here you will be able to click on Spaceserp API key and Serper.dev API key. Any of these will be able to provide. This is the Serper.dev API key. Sign up for their services and copy and paste their API key here. Same for the Spaceserp. They will be able to create your API key and paste it here. Okay, so after this is done, you will be able to use the internet access feature of the plugin. So for this, scroll up and click the AI internet access tab. You will be able to set a prompt which will modify the prompts that the plugin sends, and here you will be able to select which part of the plugin will be benefiting of this internet search functionality. If you want this for the chatbot, select chatbot shortcodes. For the bulk post creator content editor, and also these are the sub parts of the bulk post creators, AI forms, AI omniblocks, and so on. So basically you will be able to feed into the plugin information from the internet. I have this here in the omniblocks, and I am able to test this functionality for you guys. You will be able to search the internet for XAI, for example, XAI API, and we can run this now, and the SERP engines will run, and they will provide this additional information to the AI, and the AI will be able to process this information also, which is pretty recent. Okay, so if you have more idea suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Every suggestion is welcome, and this is a way to integrate the SERP, Spaceserp and Serper.dev APIs into the plugin. Aimogen is linked here. Let me know anything that you want in comments. This is all. Bye bye.